Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Security section. Then scroll down again and tap on Screen Lock. Following that, you need to choose the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it, and when you're ready, select Next at the bottom right corner. Following that, you need to repeat it in order to confirm it, and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you need to tap on the best option for you to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want to see any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all, and click on Done. Now when I turn off my screen, and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!